Hi everyone, the IDDA would like to invite you to the 12th of March to the North of England Dentistry Show with FMC. I'm sure you already know from all of these events it's going to be a jam-packed event. We're going to have an amazing amount of speakers in the theatre, but most importantly, we're going to be having a free 3D printer scan to win competition. Come to the IDDA Stand, try your hand at scanning the fastest time and walk away on the day with a 3D printer. So good luck and come to the stand and come to the North of England Dentistry Show by FMC.